Everyone, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to get Shopify with oberlo. Well, it's really easy. First thing you have to do is actually get Shopify. I'll leave that affiliate link in the description below so you can actually come here. And if you still don't know how to even start that part, I'll probably make another video on that on a separate day soon. Well, after that, once you're registered and everything, it really doesn't take that long, by the way. You just come to the main screen here, click on the apps over here, apps. Now I'm about to get Shopify with oberlo. Oberlo is actually like probably the most popular app in Shopify. It's gonna be everywhere. You know, it's right there too. Right there, oberlo, and you can click it right there, or if it's not there, I'm pretty sure it's going to be there for you too, but you can just come here on the Shopify App Store. This is just a standard way, like in case you don't see it, in case you miss it, so you come in the search, right, oberlo. Finding oberlo shouldn't be that hard to find. There it is, oberlo. Click out oberlo. The cool thing about this app is free. Probably why it's really popular. Now we are gonna click add app. This will add the app into our store, so we'll start integrating everything all by itself. This is a brand new store, by the way. Now it asks me for permission. I will give oberlo permission. I will let it install the app. So it's loading. Alright, we are in. But in case you still don't, in case you're still confused, I'll start from the top again. So once oberlo is installed, I'll just show you here. Home. Yeah, this is a brand new store. Like, I haven't started anything. This is just for the sake of this channel. So you click on apps. Now you see oberlo is now installed. So now you just want to click oberlo. And now here are all the products that you can import straight into your store. Like, you know what? Let's you want to sell this watch. This is a cool looking watch. Add to import list. You want to sell this frosted water drinking bottle. Okay. You add to import list. Down here you can see how many people have imported this. How many people have viewed this, and how many people have ordered this. You know. So these are really like good metrics to keep track of just when selecting your products. Finding products is a whole topic all on its own. So I'll tell you how to do that on a separate video. So alright, let's get this ceramic straightener too. Alright, so you can actually just go to the import list straight from here. You can just click this button and go there, or you can just click the import list on the left side over here, over there, and you can just go from there. I usually just go from here on the import list. I clicked it, and then here are your products that we just imported. So then you can change the title, what collection you want to put it in, what type. Here's your description. These are the variants. Like we'll have black, white, pink. It's pretty cool because it tells us exactly like what we're looking at here. If it's gonna cost us. I'm in Canada, so it's also telling me in Canadian dollars. It's also in US dollars over here. So, and I have the cost and the shipping, and this is the price I'm selling it at, and that's my net profit. You can always change this price. It's cool because it also gives you like a suggested price. So you can always just set it to that, and then like it's pretty good. Like this information comes from a lot of data that they have. So I usually like I trust this price. Maybe like I might go up and down a bit on that. And here are the images. You know, let's just get all three, and then and once you're happy with everything here, your description, variants, images. When you're all happy, click import to store, and now it's in your store. Now you can edit the product in Shopify. So just click edit. Just click that edit product on Shopify, and it'll take you to the actual product page on Shopify. So you can see everything is like already imported all seamlessly in here. So you basically had to do nothing, you know. And now you know you got your image, you got your variants, you got your SEO, how it's gonna look on Google when someone sees it on Google. So then you can make your changes here, and then you can also view it from right there. And yep, that's basically it. This is how you would get Shopify with Oberlo. This is it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If this video was valuable to you, comment, give it a like, comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. If you want me to make any more videos, let me know too. Thank you.